right. As you can see,
Okay.
we start our analysis from the higher time frame. Our preference is monthly time frame. Okay. The structure.
I want you to zoom the chart. I can't see clearly.
Okay.
Okay, so it's okay.
Okay. Our structure, yeah, it shows that it's overall downtrend. Okay, I can pick from this point here. I have lower high, lower low, lower high.
You know what?
Yes.
When it comes to the monthly time frame, I don't want you to really want to judge the market structure monthly, because
Right.
when you start from where you started, that is about 2-3 years ago. I want you to concentrate on the current structure on
On
the
the current
monthly.
structure. Okay. Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right. All right. All right. So this current structure on the monthly, it's saying okay. I've got it says it's going up at the moment. Okay.
Yes,
That
yes.
lower low, push the up, push the down, push the upside, push the downside, push the upside. Okay.
Yeah.
And then can delete this. In the last 2 months it closed with bearish candle, which is this bearish bullish candle, engulfing candle. Okay.
Yeah.
So I go to the weekly candlestick. So I was expecting some
Oh,
sales.
zoom the chart.
Okay. I was
Yeah.
expecting some sales in around this area. Can put it in the line chart. Okay. In this Quasimodo reversal area weekly. Okay. But the price touched it here. Okay. And I go to daily and didn't give me any sell setup here. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Go back to the monthly time frame.
I go to the back to the monthly times frame.
Uh,
All
so
right.
I want you to zoom the chart for me.
All right.
Okay. No, it's okay. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom
Okay.
out a little. Zoom out again.
Again.
I mean, make it small. Make it small. Is
I'll
it
make it
zoom in
small. Right.
so that I can see the chart? Go again.
Okay.
So I said that when market is pushing to the upside, so
Right.
the current structure on the monthly time frame is giving us characteristics of an uptrend, right?
Exactly.
So where the market is, you see that retracement, that drop with the bearish engulf.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when the market is pushing to the upside, it causes retracement. Anytime the market come in contact with a past supply because it's pushing. So if the
Okay.
supply is strong enough, we'll be able to cause a huge retracement,
Yes.
right? So when you see where the bearish engulfing come from, it comes from a significant past supply area.
All
So
right.
this past supply area where is what we consider, or what we call in abstract terms, the danger zone, right?
All right. All right.
So personally, I call them the Russia territory because it's a strong zones that can cause havoc to
Okay.
either the buyers or the sellers, depending on where the market is pushing.
Okay.
So sometimes the trend direction is so important. So when you understand trend direction, you'll see that sometimes when a bearish engulfing happen or a bullish engulfing happen, market tends not to respect it because it happens against the trend.
Exactly.
Yes. So when you look at this bearish engulf on Monday, we tried to buy, I think last 2 weeks or thereabout, where we tried to buy on the lower time frame on GBP USD. See, we hit a stop loss. we stop a loss. Let me put it that way. We stop a loss. Yeah, because the market, it seems the buyers are more stronger to push the market up. So that is why the bearish engulf did not hold. If the buyers are strong enough to push the market off, it's a very good reason. After all, it is these buyers have been empowering the market. So you can continue.
All right. Let me try to see if I can support that idea. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. I want to support that idea of the market
I
direction.
don't want. Hello.
Yes.
Pause the video a little bit. Let me tell you, let me do something.
Okay. Say stop share. Hi. What's wrong here? Pause recording. All right. Not yet.
Pause the recording.
Wait. Yes. All right. I said I was expecting.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back. You can continue.
All right. I was expecting some sales in this area of Quasimodo reversal. Okay. But okay. I saw this now price is pushing up. And then last week
do you know why? Do you know why the market did not hold on that potential Quasimodo sales?
I'm not sure.
Because if you look at it clearly, you will see manipulation entry formula for a buy. I mean, Quasimodo manipulation for a buy. Can you just identify that?
Quasimodo manipulation.
Yes,
For a
for a
buy.
buy.
Yes, I can identify this one, yeah? This Quasimodo manipulation.
Yes.
Yes.
So now, if we expect the market to go back to the potential Quasimodo for a sell before pushing to the Quasimodo, to go back to potential Quasimodo reversal for a sell before reaching to Quasimodo manipulation. But this, if you look at it, market drop all the way to Quasimodo manipulation because the overall trend of the market is bullish. So because of that, the Quasimodo manipulation for sell could not be able to, market just sell for within a week or two, and then started pushing to the upside because the market has already started rejecting from the manipulation entry formula for a buy. And remember, the overall market direction from the monthly is a buy.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes. And then I see that last week it closed with momentum candle. Okay. And then this one, and then it's like engulfed the previous one. But this one here, it's a bullish. Okay. It's like
It's
a
a
pin bar.
rejection candle, or is it a hammer?
It's a hammer, yes. And then closes the momentum candle. Okay. So I go to the daily. Okay. Looking for some setups. Okay. So I saw in this.
So now, if you look at your Quasimodo manipulation, the zone where you wanted to sell from weekly Quasimodo reversal, and the market has able to break that level. So can you remove the zone?
Yes.
Can you clear the zone? Yeah.
All right. Okay, I clear the zone. So I see it's pushing with momentum daily candles.
From the daily time frame, is pushing to the upside, right?
To the upside, yes. It's pushing to the upside. So now
it means that It means that if you look at it within that level, there has been a kind of rejection to the downside, and market finally break it to the upside from the daily time frame. It shows the strength of buyers
Yeah.
pushing the market up. So it's going to be easy for us to now identify any of the potential setup in line with the buy
Oh, yes.
on
Yeah.
the H4, H1, M30, thereabout.
Okay, okay. Now, but now, okay, I'm looking for buy setups, but I'm expecting some reaction in this resistance level here. Okay,
Okay.
okay, and then I go to H4 to see if I can find some setups. Okay, I have this what's the mode? I mean, this blind spot here. This blind spot.
Go back to daily.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay,
Okay. Yes. Yes. That was the blind spot. I spotted this blind spot on, was it on Monday? But I was expecting the market to reach there,
all
the
right,
market to come back. I was expecting the market to react from the blind spot before pushing to that strong supply zones or danger zones, right?
all right,
But in this sense, the market is already in a danger zone. So if the market should reject down, do you think the blind spot is going to hold? Because if the market is to push down to push from to the downside, it means that that supply zone or that danger zone is strong enough to disrespect uh, the blind spot setup. That is why it's very important that market should come back to the setup before reaching to the danger zone, not
all right,
market getting to the danger zone before coming to react from the setup. So
okay,
in this case now, that blind spot you spot now on 4 hours time frame is for me is not good enough to take again because the markets already reached the danger zone. So our idea is we wanted the market to come to the blind spot so that we can buy all the way to the danger zone. But market failed to come, rather get to the danger zone first
all right,
before they coming. So in this case, it become a high risk.
okay, okay. It's higher risk. Right. But what if, okay, it comes here and presents us with a confirmation of rejection? Will it will it continue being a higher risk? For example, it comes to this
So
blind.
what I want to see is that since the market is rejecting from the strong significant zones from the weekly time frame, right?
All right.
Is it weekly or daily? Go back.
To
Where did you
daily.
mark your daily? Okay, daily zone is not strong enough. I tend to respect the weekly zone, danger zones,
All
weekly,
right.
monthly danger zones like that. So, but if the market should go to the weekly, let me see something.
Yeah, still has not reached the weekly danger zone.
Yes, it has not reached the weekly danger zone. So the market still has potential to put and look at the current weekly candle.
Yeah,
It has a lot of momentum to the upside, right?
exactly.
So let's go back to the daily.
Okay.
Um, okay, yeah.
All right.
So now go to H4 time frame.
H4.
I don't want to, yes, I don't want to I don't want to underrate the daily zone, but if the market want to come down to your potential blind spot,
All right.
it can create any of the fantastic five setup for a sell, and that should be the reasons why we can sell only if the market provides that potential setup for sell because it's reacting from a significant area in the market.
All right. All
We
right.
don't want to we don't want to counter trend when the market is just on its own rejecting or retracing without coming from any significant area on the higher time frame. But when as long as market is rejecting from a significant area, or a danger zone from the hard time frame,
All right.
we can counter trend with any of the fantastic five that showed in the direction of the counter trend.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. And yeah. And now, okay. I'm expecting some reaction here, and if price, some reaction here so that price can come to this blind spot. Otherwise, I'll wait for the price to break this zone, this area, this
Okay.
yes, this resistant area, and then look for setups to buy
Yeah.
until
Also the market can create a little retracement on the daily and then break the zone to the upside. So that gives you a lot of reasons to buy all the way to the monthly zone, the monthly danger zone, because on the monthly, I mean on the to the weekly
weekly.
danger zone, yes, on the weekly, the market has not gotten there.
Yeah, still not has not reached here.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm expecting to buy up to this zone here.
Yes, if market provide
Weekly
the
danger
opportunity
zone.
for that.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
but
market.
for now there is nothing like buys and there is nothing like sell. But
Exactly.
it's very important you understand the trend. The trend direction is the only direction we use. So when you understand the trend direction, you expect setup to happen in the direction of the trend, not just taking random setup anywhere you see them. Because
All right.
Fantasy 5 happens everywhere, but it's not, if you take them anywhere you see them, you can't have the consistency we are having. The only reason why there is a lot of consistency in what I do is because I'm selective.
All
I
right.
don't
All right.
want to take don't want to take setup here and there. So yeah, so you need to understand the trend and only wait for market to happen in the lower time frame in respect to the trend. This is the only way you are going to have that higher or much win than
All right.
losses. Yeah.
All right. All right. And then I would like to highlight that this blind spot here is in line with this resistance area here. There are so many resistance points here.
Okay.
Yes. So that's all for this pair.
Okay.
Yes. May I
So
stop?
if market will come back there and provide confirmation of rejection, I think it's a valid point to buy, right?
All right.
So now, your duty is to see because you cannot wait. It may take like 2, 3 days for market to come back to the blind spot, which means that if market should give you reasons, potential reasons for a sell, then you should be looking for sales.
Okay. Okay.
But for now, at this stage, there is no reason for sell, neither reason for buy.
Yes. Yes. No. No. No reason. No reason. No. So. No. 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 No setup.
Yes. No setup, no trade.
All right. Thank you. Patient. Well, must be patient. Patient.
Yes. So
Okay.
when we talk about patience, only struggling traders who have struggled for 2 years plus, they will understand what we mean by patience. But if you are a new trader, you may underestimate the word patient because the prerequisite of consistency is just patient. If you want to be consistent with my method of approaching Fantastic Five, you see, all I do 80% of the time is patient. Only
All right.
10%, 80%, 20% of the time is I'm trading. 80% of the time I'm waiting for things to happen in line to where I'm expecting them to happen. So everything boils down to patience.
All right.
So do you want to analyze another pair?
Yes, we can go to another pair. It's euro.
Okay, can you pause the video a little bit? Let me check something.
All right.